Good morning, one and all. Sir, good afternoon, one and all. Today we are going to discuss about the Newton-Raphson method. Okay, that is the NR method. Okay, in the previous class we already discussing about the Gauss ideal method when the PV bus is present and when the PV bus is absent. Okay, same in that case also the Newton-Raphson method. By using this Newton-Raphson method, we determine the P and the Q values. Okay, we will determine the P and the Q values and the voltages at iteration methods. Okay, we form the voltages and we are developing the voltages at first iteration, second iteration and so on. Okay, first of all, the Newton-Raphson method is an iterative method which approximate the set of linear simulation equations. Okay, by using this method, the linear equations will be simulated by using the Taylor's methods. Okay, by using the Taylor series exponential method. Okay, the NR method is iterative method which approximate the set of linear simulation equations. Okay, by using this method, we are simulating the n number of linear equations. Okay, by using the Taylor series exponential method. Okay, Taylor series exponential method. Okay, the mathematical expressions for that, the equation is the n unknowns. Okay, in that assuming n unknowns are there, therefore f1 of x1, x2 and so on xn is equal to y1. F2 of x1, x2 and so on xn is equal to y2 and so on fn of x1, x2 and so on xn is equal to yn. Okay, in general f1 that will be replaced with the I. Therefore fi of x1, x2 and so on xn equal to yi. Okay, that is I is equal to 1, 2 and so on n. Okay, this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. Okay, this total equation will be represented with respect to the I, and then I is equal to 1, 2 and so on n. I is equal to 1, 2 and so on n. Assume initial values of unknowns. Okay, we are assuming the initial values. In the previous discussion, that is the GR method. Okay, in that GR method we are discussing about the for flat start. Okay, in that flat start we are assuming V1 of 0 is equal to the V0 of 1, V0 of 2 is equal to 0 and delta 0 of 1 and so on delta 0 of 2 is equal to 0. Same as that of in the Newton-Raphson method, we are assuming the initial values, that is x power 0 is equal to x1 power 0, x2 power 0 and so on xn of 0, assuming x power 0 is equal to x1, x2 of 0 and so on xn of 0. Okay, these values are not for the actual solutions. Okay, let delta x of 0 is equal to delta x1, delta x2 and so on delta xn. Okay, and then substitute these values, that is instead of which we being added to the initial gauzes given the actual solutions, that is the in this expression we are adding the f1 of x1 of 0 plus delta x1, x2 of 0 plus delta x2 and so on del xn of 0 delta xn equal to yi. Okay, similarly we are assuming f1 of x1 of 0 delta x1 x2 of 0 plus delta x2 and so on xn of 0 and delta xn is equal to yi is equal to yi. Okay, like this yi. Okay, in that I is equal to 1, 2 and so on n. Okay, the expanding the equations, when we are expanding these equations by a Taylor series. Okay, we are expanding these equations with a Taylor's theory. Okay, in that Taylor's theory, we are separating the x1 of 0, x2 of 0 and the xn of 0. Okay, fi of x1 of 0, x2 of 0 and so on xn of 0 plus dou fi by dou xi, where x1 is equal to x2. Okay, where x1 is equal to x2 plus into delta x1. Okay, into delta x1 plus, okay, and plus delta x2. Okay, into dou fi by dou x2, delta x2 plus and so on, last one delta xn, dou fi by dou xn, delta of xn. Okay, we are partially differentiating the fi with respect to the x1, partial differentiation of fi with respect to the x2, partial differentiation of fi with respect to the xn plus higher order. Okay, this is the standard equation. Okay, that will be coming with this equation. By using this equation, we are apply the Taylor's theory. Okay, we are apply the Taylor's theory. Then we common the f1 of x1 of 0, comma x2 of 0, comma xn of 0 plus, okay, delta x1 into dou fi by dou x1 plus delta x2 into dou fi by dou x2 plus and so on delta xn into dou fi by dou xn plus higher order. Okay, it is to be noted that our partial derivation of the f1 with respect to the x1. Okay, this is the partial derivation of fi with respect to the x1, x2 and so on xn are evaluated by solutions, that is x1 of 0, x2 of 0 and so on xn of 0. Since our initial estimation is closed, okay, this is the initial estimation and this is the standard equation that will be given obtained in the by using this generalized equation. Okay, by using this standard derivation, then we are write down in the Taylor's theory. After that, we are partial differentiating the fi with respect to the x1. Okay, next. Okay, this will be in the form of equations, that is y1 minus f1 into x1 0, x2 0, xn of 0. y2 minus f2, x1 of 0, x2 of 0 and so on xn of 0 and so on. yn minus fn, x1 of 0, x2 of 0 and so on xn. Okay, delta f1 of 0, delta f2 of 0 and so on delta fn. Okay, this is the f1 of 0. Okay, f1 of 0. Okay, that is delta f1 of 0, delta f2 of 0, delta fn of 0. Next, dou f1 by dou x1 whole power 0, dou f1 by dou x2 whole power 0, dou f1 by dou xn whole power 0. Next, dou f2 by dou x1 whole power 0, dou f2 by dou x2 whole power 0, dou fn by, so dou f2 by and so on dou fn power 0. Similarly, dou fn by dou x1, dou fn by dou x2. Okay, this is dou x2. Okay, this is dou x2 and so on dou fn by dou xn, dou fn by dou xn into delta x1, delta x2 and so on delta xn. Okay, and so on delta xn. Next, in that vector matrix, okay, in the vector matrix, this is delta f. Okay, delta f. Delta f is the Jacobian matrix. Okay, this is the J delta x. Okay, we are assuming we can be written as delta f is equal to J into delta x, where J is the matrix of partial derivation. Okay, J is the matrix of partial derivation, is known as the Jacobian matrix. Okay, is known as the Jacobian matrix. And then Jacobian of the simultaneous equations, it is obtained by differentiating the functions vector f with respect to the x. Okay, and evaluating it x power 0 delta f is the column vector. Okay, therefore delta f is equal to y1 minus f1 into x1 of 0, x2 of 0 and so on xn of 0. Okay, where delta x is the column vector, delta x1, delta x2 and so on delta xn. Okay, then this equation, okay, this is the delta f equal to j delta x, where j is the Jacobian matrix in this equation, provides the linear relationship between the errors. Okay, delta f gives the linear relationship between of the errors and the correction of delta x and the correction of delta x through the Jacobian matrix. Okay, and the correction of delta x through the Jacobian matrix J. Okay, a solution of delta x is obtained by using any suitable methods. Okay, that methods of solving a set linear algebraic equations. Okay, in the previous derivation equation, delta x1, delta x2 and delta xn, where delta x is the delta x1, delta x2, delta xn. Okay, the correction is added to the initial gausses to the complete first iteration. Okay, next x1 of 1 is equal to x1 of 0 plus delta x1. x2 of 1 is equal to x2 of 0 plus delta x2. Okay, we are assuming, and xn of 1 equal to xn of 0 plus delta x1. Okay, where delta x is the delta x1 plus delta x2 del and so on delta x1. Okay, that's why we are taken as for the first iteration x1 of 1 is equal to x1 of 0 plus delta x1. Okay, x2 of 1 equal to x2 of 0 plus delta x2. xn of 1 equal to xn of 0 plus delta xn. Okay, in general, for the r plus 1th iterations, okay, in general r plus 1, this is the first iteration values. Okay, for rth plus 1th iteration, that is x1 of r plus 1, x1 of r plus 1 is equal to x1 of r plus delta x of r, x1 of r plus delta x of r. Okay, this is the iteration procedure is continued until the errors delta f2, delta fn are lower than the specified tolerance. That will be lower than the specified tolerance. Okay, this is the Newton-Raphson method, basic solution for the load flow problems. Next one is the Newton-Raphson method for rectangular coordination. Okay, Newton-Raphson method for rectangular coordination. Taking P1 is equal to f of delta magnitude of V, Q1 equal to f of delta magnitude of V. Therefore, Pi is equal to, we are writing as Pi is equal to dou Pi by dou delta I, what delta I, delta 1 plus dou Pi by dou delta 2 plus dou Pi by delta n. Similarly, voltages also dou Pi by dou V1 delta V1, dou Pi by dou V2 delta V2 plus and so on dou Pi by dou Vn delta Vn. Okay, similarly we are writing as delta Qi value dou Qi by dou Q1 delta I plus dou Qi by dou Q2 delta 2 plus and so on dou Qi by dou delta n plus dou Qi by dou Vi V1 delta V1 dou Qi by dou V2 delta V2 and so on dou Qi by dou Vn delta Vn. Okay, this is the equations for that delta Pi and the delta Qi, where I is equal to 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, here the order of the matrix is 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2. So 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 2, because For I is equal to 1, that is slack bus. Why? Because the matrix is like this, means the I is equal to 1, that is the slack bus. Okay, therefore V1 is equal to 1, delta 1 equal to 0. Okay, for 3 bus system, the previous GR method for 3-bus system, what is the formation of Y-bus matrix? 3 by 3. Okay, for 3-bus system, Y is the slack bus. That's why we are not considering as the 1 values, only we are taking as the 2 and the 3. 2 means the delta P2, delta P3, delta Q2, delta Q3. Okay, that is 2n minus 1 into 1. The dimension is the 2n. N is the number of buses. Okay, number of buses. 2n. 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 2. 2. That is 4. 4 by 1 matrix. Okay, 4 by 1 matrix. Okay, the dimension for this is 2n minus 1 into 1, where n is the buses, number of buses, that is 3 into 2, 6 minus 2, that is 4 by 1 matrix. Why? Because we are not considering the first bus, that is slack bus, that is reference bus. That's why we are not considering the delta P1 or delta Q1 values. Okay, the dimension for this matrix is the 2n minus 2 into 1, where n is the number of buses. Similarly, we can write as Jacobian matrix. Okay, what is the formula? Delta Pi Qi. Delta Pi Qi equal to dou Pi by dou delta I and swan dou Vi by delta Vi and swan dou Qi by dou delta I, dou Qi by dou Vi. This is the Jacobian matrix. Okay, PQ Jacobian matrix delta V. Okay, the dimension for this Jacobian matrix is the 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 2. Okay, where n is the 3. 3 into 2 are 6. 6 minus 4, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 into 4. Okay, the dimension for this matrix is the 4 by 4. Suppose we are considering the 4-bus system, then the dimension for that matrix is the 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 by 1 matrix. 6 means we are taking as the delta P2, delta P3, delta P4. Okay, 1 as the slack bus. Okay, we are not representing the 1 value. 1 as the slack bus. Okay, therefore, delta Q2, delta Q3, delta Q4. Okay, in that case, we are taking only 3-bus system. 1 is the slack bus. That's why the dimension for this matrix is the 2n minus 1 into 4. That is 4 by 1. And this is the Jacobian matrix. And delta delta 2, delta delta 3. Delta V2, delta V3. Okay, this is also the dimension for this matrix is 2n minus 1. That is 4 by 1. 1 is the slack bus. Okay, this is in the form of a rectangular matrix. Then it can be considered as the delta P, delta Q, that is J1, J2, J3, J4. Delta, delta, delta V. Okay, this total is the J1. Okay, this will be taken as J1. And this term we are taking as J2. And then this term we are taking as J3. These are the Jacobian matrix. Okay, how we will solve the Jacobian matrix, that will be discussed in the problem. Okay, this is the J4. Jacobian matrix. Okay, delta P, delta Q, J1, J2, J3, J4, delta, delta, delta P. Okay. Next, where J1 is equal to J, dou P by dou delta. Okay, J2 is equal to N. We are taking as J1 equal to J, J2 equal to N, and J3 equal to J, and J4 is equal to L. J4 is equal to L. Okay, sorry, this is H. H, N, J, L. H, J, N, L are the submatrices of Jacobian. Okay, these are the submatrices of Jacobian. That is the rectangular coordination. Okay, that is the rectangular coordination for Newton-Raphson method. Okay, understand, ma? In the rectangular coordination, first we are writing the Pi, Qi. Pi means the f of delta magnitude V. Q1 means the f of delta magnitude V. Okay, then write down the formula for the delta Pi, delta Qi value. Then where I equal to 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the order for that matrix is the 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2. Okay, because for I is equal to 1. I is equal to 1. Therefore, that is I is the slack bus. Okay, then V1 equal to 1, delta 1 equal to 0 radians. That is constant value. V equal to 1 and delta equal to 0 radians, constant specified value. Okay, for the 3-bus system, we can write in the matrix form, that is delta P, delta P3, delta Q2, delta Q3. Okay, one we are not considering. Why? Because means it is a slack bus. Okay, and this is the Jacobian matrix, that is dou P2, dou delta 2, dou P3, dou delta 3. We are having the 3 buses. That's why 2, 3. Okay, dou P2 by dou V2, dou P2 by dou V3. Okay, dou P3 by dou delta 2, dou P3 by dou delta 3, dou P3 by dou V2. Okay, dou P3 by dou V3, dou Q2 by dou delta 2, dou Q2 by dou delta 3, dou Q2 by dou V2, dou Q2 by dou V3, dou Q3 by dou delta 2, dou Q3 by dou delta 3, dou Q3 by dou V2, dou Q3 by dou V3. Okay, these are all the Jacobian matrix. And this will be taken as the H, J. Okay, these are the J. And this is the I. Sorry. N, L. Okay, this is the N and this is the L. Okay, these are the Jacobian submatrices. Okay, that is the Jacobian submatrices for the simplification purpose. Okay, simple ga manam calculate cheyali kabatti vaatiki కొన్ని names పెట్టుకున్నాం J1, J2, J3 అని. Okay, where J1 is equal to H, J2 is equal to N, J3 equal to J, J4 equal to L. Okay, therefore J1 is equal to dou P by dou delta. Okay, what is this? All the dou P2, dou delta 2, delta 3. Okay, then it will be taken as dou P by dou delta. Then this will be taken as dou P by dou V. Then this will be taken as dou Q by dou delta. Then this will be taken as dou Q by dou V. Okay, dou Q by dou V. Okay, this is the simplification form for that matrix, that is the submatrices. Okay, dou P by dou delta, dou P by dou V, dou Q by dou delta, dou Q by dou V. Okay, this is the formation delta P, delta Q, J1, J2, J3, J4, delta, delta, delta V. Okay, delta, delta, delta V. Okay, ivanni maniki fixed formulas maybe delta PA, delta QI. Delta PA, delta QI రాసుకున్న తర్వాత దాని మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఫార్మ్ లో పెట్టుకున్నాము. దీని డైమెన్షన్ వచ్చేసరికి 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 2. Okay, this is the Jacobian matrix. 4 by 4, 4 by 1, 4 by 1. Suppose we are taking the 3-bus system. Okay, next, using the polar coordination method. Okay, by using a polar coordination method. Okay, this is the rectangular coordination method. Okay, Newton-Raphson method in the case of a rectangular coordination. Okay, we are taking the Newton-Raphson method in the polar coordination forms. Okay, the Newton-Raphson method can also be applied to the solution of the power flow problems when the bus voltages are expressed in the form of polar also. Okay, మనం ఏదైతే బస్ వోల్టేజెస్ ఉన్నాయో ఆ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని పవర్ ఫ్లో సొల్యూషన్స్ ని n నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సొల్యూషన్స్ ఉన్న ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ తో ఈజీగా డిరైవ్ చేయడం కోసం ఈ న్యూటన్ రాప్సన్ మెథడ్ అనే దాన్ని ఆర్ గ్యాస్ ఐడియల్ మెథడ్స్ అనే వాటిని మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఓకే, నార్మల్ గా మనకి ఏంటి 2 ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఉంటే ఆ 2 ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని సాల్వ్ చేసి వాటి నుంచి మనం వోల్టేజెస్ కానీ కరెంట్స్ కానీ ఈజీగా 2 అన్నోన్స్ నుంచి ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, బై యూజింగ్ ద గాస్ ఐడియల్ మెథడ్ అండ్ న్యూటన్ రాప్సన్ మెథడ్ we are having the n number of buses, then we easily solve that load flow equations by using these methods. Okay, easily we can solve the load flow solutions by using these methods. Okay, in that rectangular formation and of that load flow solution voltage equations that will be derived by using the Newton-Raphson method with rectangular coordinations. Okay, and also we are deriving in that polar form also, polar coordination method used in the practice, because the use of polar form results in the smaller number of equations. Okay, then the number of equations involved in the rectangular. Okay, rectangular to compare cheste equations ela untayi ante maniki smaller number of equations. Ikkada rectangular chudandi equations anni chaala long ga unnai. P కానీ క్యూ కానీ ఇవన్నీ ఏంటి చాలా లాంగ్ లా ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, అదే మనం పోలార్ ఫామ్ లో కానీ తీసుకుంటే ఆ ఈక్వేషన్స్ అనేవి కొంచెం స్మాలర్ నెంబర్స్ లో మనం కన్సిడర్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎనీ ఐత్ బస్ ఐఐ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సిగ్మా కే ఈక్వల్ టు 1 to n YIK VK. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎనీ ఐత్ బస్ we have II is equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n YIK VK. Normally current formula and I equal to V by R or V by Z. Okay, therefore Z 1 by Z is equal to Y. Okay, then II is equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n YIK VK. YIK VK. Then the complex powers injected to the ith bus. Okay, then the complex powers will be injected to the ith bus. Therefore, SI is equal to PI minus JQI. PI minus JQI. That is equal to VI into II. Power means the voltage into current. Okay, then it will be taken as VI into II. Therefore, substitute this II value. Okay, substitute this II value. II is equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n YIK VK. Substitute this value. Sigma k equal to 1 to n YIK VK. YIK VK. Okay, understand ma? II is equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n YIK VK. Okay, then SI is equal to PI minus JQI. PI plus JQI, that is equal to VI II. Okay, then II is equal to, substitute this II value, that is II is equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n YIK VK. K equal to 1 to n YIK VK. That is equal to VI into sigma k equal to 1 to n YIK VK conjugate. Next, since it takes more executions times, since CPU has to perform the conjugates of more elements. Okay, then SI power is SI conjugate is equal to PI minus JQI. PI minus JQI, that is equal to VI conjugate into II. Let VI is equal to VI at an angle of delta I. Okay, then VI conjugate means VI at an angle of minus delta I. Conjugate we are considering as the minus. Next VK. Magnitude VK, delta K. Next YIK. Magnitude YIK at an angle of theta IK. Then theta IK equal to tan inverse of BIK by GIK. Okay, then theta ik equal to tan inverse of Vik by Gik. Substitute SI equal to Pi minus JQi. Then that is equal to Vi into I, where I equal to K equal to 1 to N Yik Vk. Okay. Then this will be equal to Vi. Vi conjugate means the Vi conjugate equal to Vi at an angle of minus delta I. Vi at an angle of minus delta I. Okay, then sigma k equal to 1 to N Yik delta theta ik Vk at an angle of delta k. Sigma k equal to 1 to N Vi Vk Yik. Okay, Vi Vk Yik at an angle of minus delta I delta k minus theta ik. Okay. Therefore, Pi is equal to R into SI is equal to R into SI. Okay. What is that SI? Sigma k equal to 1 to N Vi Vk Yik at an angle of minus delta I minus delta k theta ik. Okay. This is SI. Okay. That is equal to cos of theta I plus sigma k equal to 1 to N Vi Vk Yik cos of delta I minus delta k minus theta ik. Then we are considering as the Q1 is the imaginary of SI conjugate. Okay, imaginary of SI conjugate minus of imaginary of SI conjugate. SI conjugate is this value. Okay, that is sigma k equal to 1 to N Vi Vk Yik at an angle of minus of delta I minus delta k theta k. Okay, Q1 is the imaginary of this SI conjugate. Okay. Now this will be written in the form of equations, that is delta P, delta Q, J1, J2, J3, J4, delta V. Okay, J1, J2, J3, J4 are the elements of the Jacobian matrix. Okay, that can be derived by dou Pi by dou delta K. Dou Pi by dou delta K equal to Vi Vk Yik sine of delta I, delta K, theta ik. And then dou Pi by dou delta I is equal to imaginary part. Okay, this is the imaginary. Then minus sigma k equal to 1 to k is not equal to 1 to N. Okay, Vi Vk Yik sine of delta I, delta k, theta ik. Okay, then the off diagonal elements of J2. The off diagonal elements of J2. Okay, what is the dou Pi by dou Vk? Dou Pi by dou Vk. This is the dou Pi by dou delta I and dou Pi by dou Vk. Then Vk gets cancelled. Then delta magnitude Vi, magnitude Yik, cos of delta I minus delta k minus theta k. Okay, and then dou Pi by dou Vi. Dou Pi by dou Vi. Okay, 2 Vi Yii. And then off diagonal elements of this. These are the off diagonal elements for that J3 Jacobian matrix, and these are all the off diagonal elements for J4 of the Jacobian matrix. Okay. These are the Jacobian matrices. These are the J1, J2, J3, J4 are the Jacobian matrix. Okay, once we are observing these equations, and then we remember these formulas. While remembering these formulas only, we are doing the problems that will be related to the Newton-Raphson method. Okay, which one we will be remember means that is the Jacobian formulas, that is J1, J2, J3, J4. What is the Jacobian matrix value? J1, J2, J3, J4. Okay, in that Jacobian, the off diagonal elements J1 are H. Okay, J1 is considered as the H. Okay, Okay, dou Pi by dou delta K. Okay, this is the P and the Q values. Dou Pi by dou delta K equal to Vi Yk Yik sin of delta K minus theta Ik. Okay, and dou Pi by dou delta I is equal to minus sigma K equal to 1 to K is not equal to 1 to N Vik Yk. Okay, that is the J2 and this is the J3 J4 value. Okay, ఒకసారి నేను ఇవి పంపిస్తామా, ఒకసారి మీరు చూసుకొని ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే చూడండి, అప్పుడు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాము. ఓకే, ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ ని గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటేనే మీరు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేది చేయగలరు బై యూజింగ్ ద న్యూటన్ రాప్సన్ మెథడ్. ఒకసారి ఆ డెరివేషన్స్ అన్ని మేము ఒకసారి పంపిస్తాము, ఒకసారి చూడండి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాము, మనం PQ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకున్నాము. ఆ తర్వాత P అంటే డెల్టా P డెల్టా Q జేకోబియన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ వేసుకున్నాం. ఆ తర్వాత డో డెల్టా బై డో 3 అనేది వేసుకున్నాం. ఇందులో J1 J2 J3 J4 ఆర్ ద జాకోబియన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. ఓకే, ఫ్రమ్ ద పవర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ 2 and 3. ఓకే, ద పవర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ 2 మీన్స్ ద okay, by using these two equations, this is the Pi, then this is the Qi. By using these equations, we determine the Jacobian matrix, that is J1, J2, J3, J4. Okay, by using these two equations, that is the J4 are the elements of the Jacobian matrix and can be determined from the power equations of 5.88 and 5.89. By using these equations, we determine the J1, J2, J3, J4 values. Okay, what is meant by J1? Dou Pi by dou delta K. Dou Pi by dou delta K. Okay, this is dou Pi by dou delta K. Vi, Vk, Yik. Cos of Vi, Vk, Yik. Sin of delta I minus delta K minus theta Ik. Okay, and also J2, J3, J4 values. Okay, this is the formulas for that Jacobian matrix that will be obtained from these two equations. Okay, from these two equations, that is 5.88, 5.89, Pi and Qi. Okay, in the next class, we are solving the problems that will be related to the Newton-Raphson methods. When the in the rectangular or the polar form. Okay, in the rectangular or the polar form, how we will determine the load flow equations. Okay, when the PV bus is absent. Okay, and also I am explain about the flow chart for that Newton-Raphson method. Okay.